Something journalism students often have trouble with is introducing quotes. Now, the best way to introduce a quote is to summarize what the quote will say, but without repeating the words from the quote itself. For example, Kali has had enough. I've had enough, Kali said. That's just wasting words, since you're saying the same things twice. Now, a better way to introduce the quote is, for Kali, the end can't come too soon. I've had enough, Kali said. Now that introduction sets up the quote without stating the obvious or repeating information. Novice journalists tend to introduce quotes poorly, using leads such as, in interviewing, in my interview with, in speaking with, when asked what she thought of, and I asked his opinion. None of these phrases should show up in any of your articles. First, your reader knows you conducted an interview with the source. That's what journalists do, conduct interviews. Now, if it wasn't you that interviewed the source, you would indicate that using language such as Curran told WRAL News. Now, second, it inserts you as the journalist into the story. Unless you're writing an opinion piece, it's the journalist's job to stay out of the story. Finally, it's a really lazy way to introduce a quote and shows readers that the journalist doesn't have enough training.